Kamusta mo diha sa Manolo Portage? My job, I'm a electrician, hashtag technician of a fire alarm system, camera, CCTV camera installation, electrical works, and etc. etc. And I'm a family man also. I have 5 children and a wife, and a loving wife.